Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, okay, everyone. So this is our first session. This is gonna be definitely amazing. Let me just okay. So throughout the session, okay, which is just going to be happen for maybe 10 to 20 minutes only, in which I'm just going to explain you what are the things just going to be happen. Okay, and throughout that, your audio would be off, so you won't be able to speak anything. But if you're having anything, okay, and we'll just like allow you to speak. Okay, wait a second. Okay, am I audible? I hope I'm audible to everyone. Okay, everyone, so we'll start from the very basic. Everyone, please type your name and in which standard you are. Everyone, please type your yeah. Everyone, please type your name and in which standard you are. I hope everyone here in the from the grade fifth to the 10th only, because yes, okay, lots of people, fifth, ninth grade, 10th, eighth, sixth, fourth, okay, it's completely fine. Okay. Okay, everyone. So as you already do know, today is the orientation session. How many of you already have been got allotment of your batch? And please type your batch number, whatever the batch number you have been got from the Indian Space School side. Batch 3, 6, 12, 9, 3, 7. Okay, completely fine. Okay, nice. Okay. 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 Uh, Lots of people have got the batch. Wait a second. Okay. Everyone, there was some issue with the video, like the in the YouTube one. So let me just live stream it directly. Okay, I can do that. So just give me 1 minute. I'll just do it directly. The people on the YouTube, uh, I'm asking to the team, please send the link to the students directly of the joining link so that they can just join right now. Okay. There is some issue. Just let them join on the Zoom only. Okay. Okay, everyone. So I think already do people know about their batches and the other details. The very important thing is what are the things just going to be happen in the program. There is a lots of query we are getting, like how the class is just going to be happen and everything. So I'm just sharing my screen and I'll be just going to guide you how your class is just going to be. So I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Okay. So from here, first of all, I welcome you all in the orientation session of Summer School of Space Science 2026. Everyone, I would request all of you, please do not draw anything, just don't do anything. Okay, focus on the session. After that, we'll just do whatever you'd say. Okay. So first of all, these are the things just going to be happen in the program. So throughout the program, basically program, these are the things you'll be going to do. Okay, you'll be going to learn about the astronomy, which is the solar system, universe topic, and lots of the different fascinating topic of the space science. Okay, and the rockets and satellites and human space flights and lots of things you're just going to discuss, cover in this program. Wait a second, I need to stop this, people. Everyone, please don't draw. Wait a second, let me change that as well. Okay, okay. I'll just continue. Okay, everyone. So I'm requesting just don't draw anything on the screen. It's just going to disturb the class, nothing more. So these are the things, everyone. Okay. Here you could see on the screen what are the things just going to be covered in this program. So There is a lots of thing. I'll just explain you week by week, so it would be easier for you to understand. Okay. So here you could see these are the six module in the 1 month we are just going to cover. In the first module, which is the week first, mostly you could say the syllabus is in which we are just going to understand the scale of universe. Scale of universe means how big our universe is and how it's just going to we are just going to understand about it. So these are the things we are just going to discuss in the first week. Then the second week is the star and energy. Why star and energy? Because star and energy is the very interesting topic. It is just going to explain you how and what is the importance and basically how any particular star is being able to create lots of energy. If you take the example of our own sun only, our sun is creating energy from the time when we born, before like million billion years back, and how it's being able to do all those things. So these things we'll be going to discuss in the module 2. In the module 3, we are just going to understand about the planetary systems. What is the planetary system? Basically, how gravity working. Like I'm being able to sit on my chair, I'm just giving the lectures to you, and you are also doing the same. But why we are being able to do that? What is gravity? So we are just going to understand those things. Even have you ever thought about why the satellites just keep orbit around the Earth? Why these satellites and any other celestial body just keep orbiting around any other celestial body, like the Mangalyaan, Chandrayaan, whatever the mission you're just going to take. In the Chandrayaan one, it just keep orbiting around the moon only, right? In the Mangalyaan as well, the moon Mars mission, it is also orbiting around the. It was also orbiting. Currently, it's not working, but it was also orbiting around the Mars. But how these things are being possible? So those things we are just going to discuss in the module 3. In the module 4, we are just going to discuss about what is the importance of our Earth. It's very important and the very renowned, I would say, the most researched topic nowadays, that is the moon exploration and the Mars exploration. Why these people are doing that? If you take the example of SpaceX, ISRO, even the most of the space agency of the in like across the world, they are doing the research on it, like how we can explore more about the Mars, more about them. So we'll discuss about those things. In the fifth week, it's kind of completely different. That is the future of space. I know lots of people of you. How many of you wants to become an astronomer or astrophysicist or astronaut? Anyone? Just type in the chat if you want to become any of these. Just type what do you want to become. Just type in the chat what do you want to become. Just take a few seconds of time and just type in the chat what do you really want to become. Astrophysicist, astronomer, okay, astronaut, astrophysicist, neuro, astrophysicist, lots of topics. But whatever the things you are mentioning here, the rocket scientist and these things and all, okay, these things are well known, right? But there is lots of other things as well which student doesn't know, like the space tourism. Space tourism, why I'm talking about it? Let's take an example of lots of private space agencies or private space companies are coming up who just providing the space tourism to the people. This is also an one of the best opportunity, like you can say the career opportunity. You can do that or any other student can do that. Okay. So basically there is a lots of career opportunity which we are just going to discuss after the space colonization topic and all. Okay. And the very important thing, that is the AI. As you already do know, this is the AI era where the people are using AI for everything. And we are also going to do the same thing for the space science in the week 5. In the week 6, which is the very interesting part, that is the you are just going to do some project. In the project, you are just going to do perform some activities, and after that, what's going to happen is like you are just going to submit that project to us, and then you'll be able to get your certificate. So these are the things we are just going to get in going to do for the next 4 week every month, which could be also extend to the 4 to 5 week. Is there anyone having any doubts regarding it? Like what are the things we are just going to do? Do anyone have any doubt? Please type in. No one will have interest to listen. This is how it is going to go. Parents also. Okay. Do you have any doubt regarding it? Okay, Priya. So let me just summarize everything and let me just explain you in a very simple way. There is around different topics of space science. Okay. And to on all those topics, we're just going to take an overview throughout the 1 month. Okay. In 1 month, there will be the two classes. Okay. Two classes with one scientific talk. Every Sunday, there will be one scientific talk. If you have been already got the basically batch, so you already do know there will be the two classes and one scientific talk. Okay. So in the scientific talk, there will be one scientist just going to comes up and they're just going to talk to you. That's it. And in the learning classes, you're just going to explore all those topic, whatever the topic I just show you right now. Okay. So these are the things we are just going to do in the 1 month. Okay. After that, what are the things is required for this program? Here you could see your batch has been also allotted. You can just get all those details on your registered email. And scientific talk just going to be happen every Sunday at 7 p.m. Okay. So it's optional one, but I would just suggest everyone, every single student, please attend all the scientific talk, because when you just learn something for a week and then you're just discussing that with any particular scientist or any other researcher, then you just get to know more about, then you'd be able to get more interested in that. So that's why you should also attend the scientific talk as well. Okay. I hope this would be clear what is the scientific talk and all. In a 1 week, there will be two classes and one quiz as well and one assignment. Okay. With one basically scientific talk as well every Sunday. So these are the things just going to be happen in the throughout the program, everyone. After that, I'll just show you one more thing which is very important. Everyone, the people who haven't joined till now, just join the Google Classroom and the WhatsApp community, okay, which you just can get the link on your registered email. So on your registered email, you can just get the link of Google Classroom and link of the WhatsApp community as well. Because in the WhatsApp community, you're just going to get all announcements, session reminders, important updates, and everything on the WhatsApp community. And in the Google Classroom, you're just going to get assignments, like whatever the task you're just going to get, and you have to submit. Then your notes, recording, like after this session, we are just going to upload the recording of this session as well. Okay, you're just going to get on the Google Classroom. Then the projects, details, and the study material, everything will be going to provided on the basically Google Classroom only. So that's why these two platforms are very important, and I would recommend everyone to please join it. After that, this is the last slide which I am having, because this is an orientation classes. Everyone, I would request everyone, please note down these two things. First, this email, and then the this contact number right now. Everyone, please note down this. Wait a second. Yes. Okay. Just note down this contact basically. Yes. I hope this would be visible. Please note down these, basically this contact number and this email. Okay. Okay. Now, so if you have been note down, everyone just type in the chat if you have been note down these two things. Okay. Nice. Okay, everyone. So let me just tell you what are the things just we are just going to do. So in this program, the Summer School of Space Science, I hope lots of people has already get their batch details and everything. According to your batch details and the class timing, your class is just going to be, every session is going to be in the small groups. Like all of the student has been divided into the batches. According to your batches, your class is just going to be like taken. Okay. And in the batches, in 1 week, there will be two classes, live interactive. Just try to be on time according to your batch number. And after that, just try to do all the tasks. Whatever the assignments you are getting, just try to submit that. Whatever the test is there, always just appear in the test. Just always complete the quizzes. Okay. So these are the things about everyone. And that's all about it. If you still have any doubt, you can just type in the chat and I would answer you. Let me just, lots of people haven't get the details. Let me just copy it. Okay. So in the chat, I'm sharing the contact details. You people can do that. Okay. Let me just, I'm just, I just pinned this. You can just do that. Okay. So yes, you can just get, and if you haven't checked that, just check your registered email. There as well, we have been provided all those things. Okay. Now, just tell me everyone, do you have any doubts regarding the classes? Okay, there is a lots of doubt. So first the Naman. Naman is saying, sir, please Google Classroom code. Uh, you don't need any code. Just go to your registered email and just click on it and you'll be able to join it. Okay, you don't need that. Okay, and if you need that as well, you can there in your email only, there will be the number. Just contact on that number. Team will help you out. Okay, don't worry about that. Nihal, can you put that again? Yes, that contact detail. Yes, here you could be. Then Kavisa, sir, can you tell me the phone number? Yes, here it is. You can just copy it. Chatra, Please slow down. Yeah, that people were texting. That's why it's happened. Here is the contact. You can just do that. Okay. Advik Misra. Okay. Is there anyone having any? Isita, Isita, say, can you please? Uh, okay, okay, Isita. Don't worry. I'll just explain the things again. Okay. Basically, there was lots of people trying. So that's send the number. Okay, I'm sharing. I'm just saying, everyone, just don't forget to check your registered email because on your email, you're just going to get all the details. Okay. Just join the batch. On the batch, there will be only 50 people and you'll be able to clear all of your doubts. And your batch is just going to start from tomorrow only. Okay. Which meeting is it? I'm supposed to join in the. Yes, yes. Basically, here you could see and just check your all details on your registered email, like in which batch you are. In which batch you are, just clear that doubts. Okay. Yes, there is someone like Kasvi. Kasvi is asking, sir, do we have to take the notes? Okay, everyone. So I would personally recommend you to please make your own notes during the classes because this is an orientation classes where lots of people are there. But in your batches, there will be very less people. Okay, like around 20 to 30 people. Just try to make your own notes during the program only because if we just provide the study material as well, it doesn't matter. If you'll just make your own notes, this would be way more better than like taking the notes which we are just going to create. So I would recommend to please make your own notes. Okay. Naman Yadav, final project. So basically, in the final project, first just learn something. Okay. Just learn something. Just complete your learning part for the 5 week, 4 week around. Okay. In the last week, there will be the project announcement. Just imagine in the 4 week, you're just going to uh, yeah, basically you're just going to learn the everything and after that definitely you would be able to do that. So yeah, that's all. Do anyone have any other doubts? What is the duration of class? Each and every class is just going to be for an hour. Can you please explain the project details? You'll get all the details in your registered like batches. Teacher just going to guide you, so don't worry about that. Okay. So yes, you'll be going to get all those details as well. Aswin, I can remove you from the meetings if you, okay, please send me the numbers. Yeah, yeah, I'm sending you. Is there anyone having any other doubts? Is it necessary to make your own notes? We are just like recommending you. If you don't want, just don't make, but trust me, if you make your own notes, this would be way more better. Okay. Sir, will we get the certificate? Yes, before the certificate, everyone, please try to focus on the sessions. Just try to attend the session, just try to appear in the classes, just do all those tasks, attend the sessions, then just go for the certificate things and all. Okay. So definitely there will be certificate. Yes, if you miss the classes, there will be the recording of classes. So don't worry about that. Okay. Okay. Is there anyone having another any other doubts? I don't think so. Um, okay. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Please let me know what you have.
So you said each class will be there for 1 hour.
Yes,
So in 1 hour, like if the teach, we should take the notes, and the notes will be implemented in projects, right, sir?
yes, yes.
Like in what ways, sir? I can't understand. Like how will the like we get to do those projects, and what form will the projects be?
Okay, okay, okay. So let me just tell you. First of all, in during the program, what are the things you'll be going to do? Okay, you'll be going to learn about all those things, as I mentioned, the astronomy, astrophysics part, and bit overview of the rocket science as well. Okay, so if you are from the grade 5th to the 10th, what are the things you could do? You can just write an article. You can just review a paper as well. Like nowadays, there is a lots of student, like there was another batch of us in which there was a 8th standard student, okay, and who just wrote a research paper with a scientist. The scientific talk. In the scientific talk, he just discussed and then later on he just worked on it and do that. So it means if the students are learning all those things, So if they have that much like understanding about any particular topic, they can do that one as well. If they are having the better understanding in reading and they are being able to read the research papers or any papers, they would be able to review it as well. Just write a review paper. It's very easy to do that, right? When you're just reading something and just
Yeah,
writing in your own words.
yeah.
So yeah, these are the
And
things you
so,
could do.
so
Yes.
sir, like, will there be competitions based on these, or is it like
No, 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 no,
projects?
no. There won't be any competition based. Like just imagine in a batch there are 50 students, and in the end you just got the project. You can do in the group as well, and you can do by yourself as well, like an individual one. So it's all up to you. You can just do as you want. So it's completely fine. Okay.
Okay, so if we miss the class will be recorded and will they send
Yes.
it to us?
Yes, yes. On the Google Classroom, everyone will get the recording of sessions. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Is there any doubt anyone is having? Anyone? Wait a second. Uh, oh, Vihan. Yes, yes, Vihan. Where is Vihan? Okay. Yes, yes, Vihan. Yes, Vihan, am I audible? Wait a second. Okay. Everyone, if you're having any doubt, please keep posting in the chat as well. I would love to answer that. The majorly I'm being able to understood like the what is the topic basically. Doubts. So doubts about the classes and so on. Okay, okay. LMS. Okay, so just understand. Just join the Google Classroom and you'll be going to get the recording there, and whatever the sessions are there you'll be going to get all the reminders and the joining link as well, okay, on your WhatsApp community as well. So it would be way more easier for you as well to do this to the attend the sessions and all, and it would be more accessible. Okay, so these are the two ways I would suggest you to go for. Okay, is there any other specific doubt? Okay, okay, everyone. I'm just telling you one more thing. Tomorrow, like the from the tomorrow, the batch is just going to start. In your first batch, when it will be the first class, you can just ask whatever the doubts you are having, everything. But majorly, your recording would be provided. Your sessions would be completely like live and interactive, like how I'm being able to do that. But there is a lots of people, around 600 people. That's why I'm not being able to interact with everyone. Okay. In your batch, there will be only 30 to 40 students. So you could just interact with the tutor as well. Okay. So all these things will be provided from our side. And we are recommending like you should make your own notes. Okay. When you just make your own notes, this will be better for you as well. Okay. Your recording would be available, notes would be available, and there will be weekly test and weekly scientific talk. So these are the major things. Okay. And according to your batches, whenever your batch going to start in the first class, whatever the doubts you are having, you can just clear there. But I'm just requesting you to please check out your registered email. On your registered email, we have been shared all the details to join the WhatsApp community and WhatsApp Google Classroom as well. Okay, I hope this would be clear. If the major things has been clear, so basically in the upcoming classes, like the first classes, your batch tutor and whoever the like teacher would be, okay, they'll help you out. Don't worry about that. Okay. Let me check if there is any doubt. Chavi is asking, stop the chats. Okay, but I can't stop this. Sir, what will be the class timing for batch 10? If you're in batch 10, then your class timing would be 7 to 8. Okay. Pratha, this session is for the grade 5 to... Yes, yes, yes. It's for the grade 5 to the 10th. So anyone can join it. Sir, I wasn't given my badge. Arya, if you're not being able to get your badge details and all, just contact on this number. Team will guide you and they'll add you in the batch. Don't worry about that. What is the final project? Vihan, just understand the concept first. Just try to learn something first, and then in the end, just do the project. Okay. Sir, I'm the class 6. If I enroll the next year, will the content will be same or it will be different? It will be different every year because as you can understand, the things are changing every year. So that's why the classes Definitely just gonna be changed. And hello, sir. What are the planets out of the plasma called? Exoplanets. Okay, Fazan. Fazan is asking the planet which are not belonging from our solar system. What we call them? So that's called the exoplanets. So okay, that's nice doubt. Will the project be group based? Yes, project would be the group based as well and individual as well. Okay, everyone. So I hope most of the doubts are clear. But due to the lots of people, the things are not being as I wanted. But what we can do in the first classes, whatever the doubts you are having, will help you out. Okay, Sivans. Sivans, just try to understand there is a lots of people raising hand. Okay. In the first class, will definitely guide you. Don't worry about that. Okay, your tutor will guide you. Okay, everyone. So I'm just ending this session here only. From tomorrow, whatever the batches you have been allotted, please join your batches. Okay, your teacher and whatever the tutor would be there, they'll guide you with all details. Okay, I hope this would be clear. The mandatory part is please join the WhatsApp community and the Google Classroom, basically. And in your batch, I'm making sure there will be 40 to 50 students only maximum. So you could just clear all those doubts and everyone would be allowed to speak. Okay, and there is a lots of people spamming as well. Just don't do all these things. Okay, everyone. So that's all about today. See you in the next class. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye, everyone. See you in the next class.